We live in a world obsessed with speed, quick wins, instant gratification, overnight success. But let me tell you a truth that most people overlook. It's not what you do once in a while that shapes your life. It's what you do every single day. Consistency, the quiet, unseen force behind every extraordinary achievement. It's not flashy. It's not glamorous, but it's powerful. Because consistency compounds. Like interest in a bank account, small efforts, repeated daily, grow into something unstoppable. You don't need to run a marathon today. You just need to lace up and take that first step. You don't need to write a book in one sitting. You just need to write one paragraph today. You don't need to change your life overnight. You just need to change one habit and stick with it. Look at any master in any field. Athletes, artists, entrepreneurs, leaders. And you'll find a common thread. They showed up every single day, even when they didn't feel like it, especially when no one was watching. Because success isn't built in big moments. It's built in the quiet hours, in the early mornings, the late nights, the lonely middle. And yes, there will be days you fall off, days you mess up. That's okay. Consistency doesn't mean perfection. It means not quitting. It means showing up again tomorrow. One step, one page, one representative, one choice. Because brick by brick, moment by moment, you are building something incredible. So forget the quick fix. Ignore the shortcuts. Instead, trust the process, honor the grind, and never underestimate what you can do. One small step at a time. Because in the end, it's not the big leaps that change your life. It's the small steps you take every single day